The new Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950 blender with Quiet Blend technology is 55% quieter than a traditional blender. Here's a traditional blender. And here's the Sound Shield 950 in action. Our Quiet Blend technology keeps noise levels low so you can make a 6 a.m. smoothie without disturbing your family, keep the conversation going while mixing margaritas, and let the baby keep napping while dinner gets started. Our hinged Quiet Shield provides superior noise reduction that keeps all of your blending noise at bay, while our motor, fan, and rubber jar pad are all designed to muffle sounds while they work. But the innovation doesn't stop at keeping quiet. The 950 is a powerhouse when it comes to smoothies, icy drinks, salsas, soups, hummus, and more. It crushes ice with a 950-watt peak power motor and stainless steel blades. 5 speeds with pulse gives you complete control, and 3 pre-programmed settings blend to the desired results with just the push of a button. The 52-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar has a spill-stopping, drip-free pour spout to minimize the mess. It's also easy to clean. Just lift, press, and slide the Sound Shield to remove. The blade's also removed for cleaning. It's a snap. Combine powerful blending, easy use, quick cleanup, and more peace and quiet in your kitchen, and you have the Hamilton Beach Sound Shield 950. Now that's good thinking.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence 2-quart ice cream maker. You can also use it to make sorbet. So it's simple and easy to use. Let me show you the parts. This is your paddle, which is going to mix your ice cream as it's freezing. This is your freezer bowl. You can tell it's all nice and icy. We left it in the freezer overnight. That's the best thing to do. And then you're going to just put the paddle in like so, and you put the lid on, and you just twist to put it in. The lid also has a nice large hole in the top, and that is great for adding some of your ingredients in at the end, or even when the machine's mixing. So you can pour your liquid ice cream base in there, or as you get towards the end of your ice cream being finished, you can add things like nuts or little M&Ms. So that's a lot of fun to do. It's all stainless steel housing. It has a really simple operation. All you do is turn it on with this, and you turn it off when it's done. So let's go ahead and make some ice cream. So this base was made earlier. We have lots of great recipes in the instruction booklet, and make sure that whatever base you're using, whether you're making it a cooked base, more like a custard, or just with fresh milk, make sure the ingredients are cold and chilled before you add them to the ice cream maker. So this happens to be a fresh strawberry ice cream base. What we're going to do is we're going to let that mix for about 20-25 minutes. We're going to come back and check on it, and it's going to be finished. So let's check on our strawberry ice cream. I'm going to turn this off. It was mixing for about 20-25 minutes. I'm going to give it a little taste. It's really sweet and nice and airy. The thing that you should do now is remove it from this freezer bowl, put it in a food storage container, put it in the freezer, and it'll harden up nice and hard, and you can enjoy your homemade ice cream.